Hello everyone, this is Shivani Gupta in my new YouTube channel The Shivani Gupta. So in today's video we are going to discuss how do we use the online mock test portal for the CMA students. So it is released today. So let's go and watch how do we use that. So firstly you can see as a website, here we have to write the registration number which I have already copied. Now we have to choose the paper. So as you can see here, for foundation students there are fundamentals of economics and management, fundamental of accounting, fundamental of laws and ethics, fundamental of business mathematics and statistics. So these four subjects are for foundation students. And as you can scroll, so here this is intermediate group 1, and I will discuss about intermediate group 2 because I am currently studying about in intermediate group 2. So let's go. So the website is just logged in. So this is the interface of the website. Firstly you can see paper number 10, and here first series, second series, third series, fourth series, fifth and sixth. So there are 6 series and there are general rules for online mock test. So you will find 6 series for online mock test. Each series contains 100 marks. So there are 6 series in the online mock test, and in each series there are 100 mark series. So you have to attempt all the questions. So all questions are compulsory, and online mock test duration for each series is 3 hours. So the total time duration of this is 3 hours, and you can attempt each series for maximum 5 times. So for practice purpose you can attempt each series for the 5 times. And as you scroll in, so there is submit button will appear only when you entered into the last question and no question remains unanswered. So when all questions are answered, so in the last page it is submit buttons come in. So there are descriptive type questions and MCQs type questions as we see in our papers. So in descriptive times they said that they will not they will not check the descriptive and only check the MCQs, and percentage will be given on the basis of MCQs question. And after 3 hours of the test your answers will be auto submitted. Means after 3 hours your questions are auto submitted in the portal. A student will not be allowed to log out for a particular series before 1 hour from the commencement of the particular mock test. So you cannot log out before 1 hour in the portal. After submission you can review series number of attempts, score, questions attempted, time taken, mark percentage, answer key. So as you see, after submission you can view your series, number of attempts you do, scores, question attempted, time taken, mark percentage and answer key. After submission you can print, save your mock test certification for future reference. You can send your feedback at the end of the test. So we can also, this is really good thing which I find here, the last point. So we can send our feedback, what we feel about the mock test. So we can send here. So this is paper number 10, same paper number 11, and all same guidelines are here. This is paper number 12, company accounts and audit, and the paper number 9, OMSM. So let's go.